Fun fact, did you guys know that 10,000 steps per day is actually not what's scientifically recommended? Actually, the scientific recommendation says somewhere between 7,000 and 8,000 steps per day. And when studies were shown for people who did 10,000 steps or more, there was really no big change. But having said that, the average American adult only takes 3,000 to 4,000 steps per day. And if you take less than 5, you are considered sedentary, which becomes a common issue when a majority of us work behind a computer, which is exactly what I do. I live in a 200 square foot RV with my husband and Boston Terrier, and I work remote. While I am a runner, that actually means that 4 out of 7 days a week, I'm not running, and my goal is to try and get at least 7,000 steps. So today, I wanted to show you guys my top 4 tips on how I get those steps in on a regular basis. So hopefully you can take them back and use some of these tips in your own life. Tip number 1 is sprinkle in your chores. I need to do a couple things around the rig. So I normally get up in the morning, I'll take my first couple of meetings, get some work done, and take a mid-morning break. And I'm going to make the bed, take the trash out, and clean up a little bit around the rig. Sprinkle those in. It's minimal steps, but it will actually get a lot of steps in if you do it. So make it a priority to just get up and move around, especially when you're stuck to a screen all day. Okay guys, tip number 2 is to take your furry little friend on a walk with you. Molly and I really try to get out together at least twice a day if we can. They don't have to be super lengthy. She is an old lady. She's about 14, so that's not a whole lot of steps that she can handle. Our goal is to really just take a little lap around the RV park. She usually does her business and then we come back. It'll get us about 1,000 steps though. So it gets us closer to our goal. It gets us outside together doing things it gets us outside together doing something we enjoy. And it also gets me out in the sunlight and away from the computer for a couple of minutes. So win, win, win. I'm interrupting this vlog. This dog becomes a psychopath with her food. Okay, so we have to basically put water on it so that way it'll soak, because this little nugget right here has like 3 teeth and she can't chew, but she has no patience. So when we soak it, she stares, she looks sad. Anytime I get up, she just acts like a psychopath. And I thought you guys would enjoy seeing what I have to deal with on a regular basis. So it's not ready. You're gonna have to wait. There she is, looking sad. Do you think it's ready? Should we check to see if it's ready? Yeah? I think it's ready. Happy girl. Alright guys, I am currently walking to the gym for my lower body day, which brings me to tip number 3, which is where can you walk? Now, I have followed a lot of people, a lot of influencers that live in very walkable cities. I would not put Kansas City in that list, but the gym is like a little over a mile from the RV park. There are sidewalks between here and there, even though it's busy streets that I need to go over, and it's gonna give me my steps in. So if you can walk somewhere, highly encourage it. A couple of sub tips: bring water, especially when it's hot. If you need electrolytes, bring electrolytes. Put on your sunscreen and bring your shades, and just enjoy being outdoors. So I'll see you guys later for tip number 4. All right, workout done. Went really good, except for some gym bro stole the trap bar the whole time. But I digress. It's okay. So, tip number 5 is romanticize your walks. So what I mean by that is, as you guys heard, my walk right now, not exactly glamorous. I'm literally walking through a parking lot, and then I'm gonna be on a busy street pretty much the whole way home. But, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make it fun. There's nothing worse than just being like, go out and walk. Make it a whole vibe. Turn some good music on, have a cute outfit on, get yourself done up and feel good to go. For me, I have some water, I have a snack, I'm feeling good after my workout, and I'm gonna listen to my audiobook on the way home and feel good about it. So make it fun, and that'll help. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. I actually need to get my booty moving and finish getting ready because we're going to dinner with some friends. I ended the day with 8,100 steps or so, so right on goal. If any of these points that I talked about today resonated with you, I would love for you to like and subscribe so that way you don't miss another upload from me. And throw down in the comments what your favorite tip is for getting your steps in every day. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.